Tired of ordinary furniture? Embrace the raw beauty of nature. Sustainably sourced timber from the majestic Manistee Forest. Hand-shaped by artisans and finished with pure, non-toxic beeswax. BIGFOOT Live Edge tabletops bring untamed warmth to your home.
Hi again, Arden here with BIGFOOT Tabletops. We are back at the legendary Sawyer Sawmill for another round of adventure. There is nothing quite like the sound of the saw slicing through history. The energy here today is absolutely elite. We are uncovering some incredible grain patterns in these logs. You really have to see this texture to believe it. This is the BIGFOOT Tabletops difference. We go straight to the source to find the perfect flab for your home. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the process as we turn these giants into art. Thanks for watching.
Check out this beautiful live edge table. Look at the grain, it's absolutely stunning.
Hey, just checking out this new tabletop. Love how the edges are so natural, like it's literally from a tree.
Hey everyone, you gotta see this. These BIGFOOT tabletops are just perfect for our cozy espresso dates.
Discover the untamed beauty of the Manistee Forest in your home. We handcraft sustainably sourced timber into unique, kiln-dried masterpieces. Finished with pure beeswax, safe, non-toxic, and naturally stunning. BIGFOOT Live Edge tabletops. No two pieces are ever the same. Sawyer Sawmill. Live it up with Live Edge today.
So like this saw, it's no joke. Cuts through wood like butter, really. Makes my work feel legit.